You ever see something and just stop in your tracks? That's exactly what happened when I came across the 2025 Tricycle Camper. It's not just a camper, it's a statement, a fusion of minimalist design, sustainable thinking, and just the right amount of boldness to make people stare. At first glance, it looks like a futuristic concept that somehow made it to production. And thank goodness it did. It's built on a three-wheeled frame, ultra-light, and surprisingly agile. Whether you're weaving through tight urban alleys or cruising down open trails, this thing moves with ease. But the real magic happens when you park and set it up. The compact frame unfolds into a cozy, functional living space. You've got a fold-out bed, smart storage built into every corner, a solar-powered kitchenette, and even a pop-up roof for extra headroom. It's like a micro-apartment on wheels. Only cooler. Performance-wise, it's pedal-assisted with a robust battery system that gives you about 70 miles on a full charge. Add in the solar charging on top, and you've got yourself a legit off-grid escape vehicle. It's quiet, it's efficient, and it sips energy like it's sipping tea. The exterior is built with reinforced weather-resistant materials. Matte finishes, curved edges, and a panoramic side window give it that modern retro look. Whether you're parked at a scenic viewpoint or rolling through a local market, it turns heads. I had people taking pictures, asking questions, and even offering trades for it. No joke. Now let's be real. It's not for everyone. If you're into heavy packing, high-speed cruising, or need space for a family of 4, this won't be your ride. But if you're a solo traveler, digital nomad, or someone looking for freedom with a lower footprint, this might be the most fun and functional way to travel in 2025. It's not just about getting from one place to another. It's about how you get there, and how you live along the way. If you want to see more in-depth tours, off-grid tests, or a full day-in-the-life video with the 2025 Tricycle Camper, drop a comment and let me know. And of course, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another adventure review.